YouTube family? This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Now, as you can see, we are on a hotel carpet. We actually already hit this area here, but I had some pretty nasty stains that were coming around in the second area. Roughly, we have about 20,000 square feet. I'm on the second floor right now, and my other partner is on the first floor, and of course, we're using the Cymex, okay? So we have a nasty stain here coming up here, right here in the middle of the floor. The floors aren't too bad. A couple of red stains we're going to go ahead and treat with a different solution. But like you see, we got another stain here. So I want to give you some of the look here on what we're doing. That way you have an idea how to get familiar with some of our videos. As you can see here, I have a picture saved here of when the first steam cleaner came out and invented, 1969. Okay, he was training as a jet engine mechanic. Long story short, this guy Palmer created the first carpet cleaning back in 1969. We're in 2023 now, going on 2024. We're using an encapsulation process, okay? It's the Cymex. Excuse the discolor. No, it's been really beat up here. We use it for different things. Doesn't affect the quality, but you see there's pads on there, okay? Those pads have hog hair in it, and what they're doing, they're spinning simultaneously. There's 3 of them. One's going left, the other one's going right, and the whole disc is spinning around to the right, and then the pads are spinning to the opposite way. So it's getting a lot of agitation. Agitation is like you're putting your soap in your hair or shampoo, and then you're rubbing it in, okay? We're putting the shampoo down, and we're extracting it out, but we're also rubbing it in, okay? You just don't want to wash your hair, put your shampoo in, and then rinse it out. You're not doing anything. So I want to show you this pad here, back to encapsulation cleaning. All right, steam, has been out 1969 with a truck mount. All right, we're in 2023. Back then, we didn't have Space Force. Now we have Space Force, which means our military branch is now fighting wars inside space. So we can fight wars in space. We can fight the stains here, and a war here on the carpet. So as you can see, the machine is powering it. It's dropping down the solution. It's in this tank. And we just want to hit this stain for you so you have an idea how it works. And this is the best process for a lot of glue down carpets. Like I said, we're in a hotel. We do this all the time, okay? Look at that stain. It's not even there anymore, all right? And then you're like, well, where did it go? Well, it all went inside that hog hair. Here's the second stain. I don't know what this stuff is. Don't know how long it's been down. This manager said he's been here for about 2 years and it never been cleaned when he was here. And that just shows you a solution of what we do. Now, some people may Keep on going down here. Oh, we're looking good. Alright, so we got that section done. I like to move in sections with this particular machine, only because the cord's only so long. I think I stopped at room 209. So I'm going to start dropping solution here. Try not to hit the door. This is an extended stay. We do have people staying here. So 209 is going to be my mark spot. Cord only goes so far. I'm going to come back here. Alright, so like I said, 209 was my stop spot. We have another cord here, a plug. So I just want to go ahead and get this going. Now our solution, it doesn't leave a residue, okay, but it leaves behind what's called polymers. What those polymers will do is, as the staff continues to clean the carpets or vacuum daily, still want to continue to clean even though we're gone. Nothing, the floor will not stay crunchy. Sorry, I can speak. All right. So stay fresh, stay clean. Just cool. Alright, that's gonna be really good. You see, I switched my method up a little bit, walking back and forth, just for the video purposes. So keep on walking down. Staying here. Right, stays going. The good thing about this here, the carpet's going to dry in 1 hour. So we have our staff coming to check in, or their staff I should say, is checking in at 4 o'clock. We started here at also 2. Hit this hallway here. So about plenty of cord. And the third floor here. As you see, we have the steam up here. Same process. Catch up this one. That's burnt. It's a burn spot. We're actually going to move our foot to the outlet here. myself and mark out link here to create. We are now on the 3rd floor, and as you can see, I set up. We have a nasty stain here. Alright, I told you how we get this process done. Same thing. I'm gonna just, for the sake of the video and time, we are going to cut this one real short. Step 2. I'd like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.